Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change footer or signature in Outlook. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Outlook. Okay. So guys, here I'm on my Outlook. So let me show you how you can change your footer. So let me show you the what is the signature. You can see the signature is by default signature. Okay, so I can write the mail and I can send with this signature. You can also change the signature if you have multiple add signature in your Outlook. You can see I have two signature here. If I click on this second signature, so it will be changed like this way. So you can see now I will show you how you can change it and how you can add the signature in your Outlook. So just go to the file option and click on option here. Just tap on this option and the one pop-up window will be open. Now here you can see the all option like mail, calendar, people, task, search, language, accessibility. So in order to add footer or add signature in your Outlook, we need to go in mail section. Just click on mail, that's mail icon, and here you can see the signature option. Just click on it. So just I show you that I have two signature. You can see I have two signatures. So if you don't have signature here, you can add here, okay, from new, or you can also change if you have multiple mailbox. So you can change the mailbox also. I have two mailbox, one is Hotmail and one is Gmail. So you can also select the change the mailbox here and create the particular signature for them. So I just select this one only, and you can signature for new mail or signature for forward reply. You can see I have two signatures, so I can select the for new mail signature and for reply and forward signature. So I just select the one signature for both. Now I will show you how you can create the third one. Just create new and type signature 3. Okay, so you can see I can create the three signature here, third signature here. In first signature, this is my signature. In second signature, this is my signature. So now click on third signature and I will show you how you can add the content on signature or footer. So I just add here. Okay, you can also change the color, you can make the bold, you can make the underline. Okay, and you can also insert the link of website or any other links. Okay, just click on, just select the text and just click on, and you can insert the links here. Okay, then link will be applied. Now just click on OK and just click on OK. So now if I go with new mail, here you can see this is my signature, but I want to make it use the third signature. I can use the third signature, and this is what signature. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.